Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to use Higgsfield AI, which is one of the newest tools for making realistic AI videos using just a photo and some text. So is it really worth using for content creators or just overhyped? Let's just try to find that out in today's video. So first of all, you can just click on the link that is given in the description if you want to get extra credits. Over here, once you come here, you can basically just take a look at the Higgsfield AI templates. So Higgsfield is an AI video generator where you can basically upload a photo, add a script, and it creates a video that looks like a real person talking. It is made for creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to make the user style content without being on camera. So think of it as Instagram reels, TikToks, product shoutouts, or story time videos, all made with the help of AI. As you can see for yourself, all of these videos are looking so realistic. Now, once you come here on this page, you will have to create your account. So you can click on the login or the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can provide your email address, or you can also continue with the help of your Google account, and then you can basically log in into it. So once you have successfully logged in, as I said earlier, your home page should look something like this. Over here, you can either select Higgsfield Soul, Camera Control, Virtual Action Movement, UGC, and more. So here you can click on the option of UGC. After that, you can pick any of the templates that is given over here. You can select Drunk Monster, Fast Sprint, or anything that you see here. Let's say I want to select this one, so you can click on the option of generate here. Once you are inside, you can upload your photo, or you can even use one of the AI generated faces. It is also going to help you to generate it for you. Like, you can click on the option of generate it and then select the option of character. You can upload your character over here. After that, you can select the version or the model over here. After that, you can select the resolution, high and on, give it a prompt over here, and it is going to generate the character for you. Now you can use that character in order to generate the video from that. So what I really like about this particular platform is that, first of all, it is very easy to use. There is no camera or mic needed. It is good for social media content. It gives you the custom voices, styles, and even templates, and it is useful for both beginners and brands. It is going to give you realistic lip syncing and gestures. Now let's talk about some of the cons, right? So the video cost credits, and credits go fast. Only limited credits in the basic plan. We will talk about the plan later in this video. It can get expensive if you create a lot of these videos, and some of the templates still need the improvement. You don't get the full control over editing here. If you click on the pricing option in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see that their plan starts at $9 per month. But to actually make UGC videos, you will need at least the pro plan or the creator plan or higher. You can also buy credits packs. The more you buy, the better the value. So if you are serious about content creation, you can go for the pro plan, or you can start with the ultimate plan, but they give you the special offer on the creator plan. So you can go with the creator plan. So it is going to give you access to all of the tools that are available here. If you want fast social media ready videos without being on camera, Higgsfield AI is a great tool. It is not perfect, but it is ahead of most of the AI videos tools right now, especially for UGC style content. And that's it for today's review and tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried Higgsfield, or if you want me to test another AI video tool. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.